Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 20 different ways of asking what's your name. आज की वीडियो में हम 20 मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से नाम पूछने की इंग्लिश सीखेंगे. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. Now we will discuss the formal ways of asking what's your name. First way is, may I have your name please? Second way is, can you tell me what's your name is? Third way is, how can I address you? Fourth way is, what should I call you? Fifth way is, I'm sorry, what was your name? Sixth way is, what is your name? Seventh way is, do you mind if I ask you your name? Eighth way is, would you mind if I ask you your name? Ninth way is, may I have your name? 10th way is, how may I address you? Now we will discuss the informal ways of asking what's your name. First way is, hey, what's your name? Second way is, I don't think we've been introduced yet. What's your name? Third way is, can I get your name? Fourth way is, hey, remind me of your name. Fifth way is, hi, who are you? Sixth way is, what's your name? Seventh way is, what can I call you? Eighth way is, what would your name be? Ninth way is, what are you named? 10th way is, what do you call yourself? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.